Today I'm comparing a very commonly prescribed DIY neck traction technique using a bath towel with this neck hammock that was designed by a physical therapist for neck traction. A bath towel costs $2.64 with some plastic string that costs $4.48 from Walmart. The neck hammock costs $49.99. When I saw the neck hammock device, I wonder if this simple device is worth the $49.99. I bought a couple of cervical traction devices at a time to see which one they all feel like, and actually this neck hammock was the most expensive one. I saw in the neck therapy brochure made by the company I work for, teach patients to use a towel to traction their neck. And you're supposed to do the towel, hang it off a post or doorknob, and lie down on the floor. I found this YouTube video actually teaching the exact same thing. I must say, I feel a pretty good stretch with this, and it's not painful. I did test this technique using a scarf versus a towel, and the towel is a bit more comfortable than the silk scarf. Now, if you're not good with putting things together, tying things securely, then you probably want somebody to set this up for you so that everything is secure, because the last thing you want is for the plastic string to come loose. And I guess that's why in the video you're supposed to have a pillow under your neck, so just in case the string breaks loose, your head doesn't hit the floor, but it just hits the pillow instead. Well, that's like a safety precaution. The neck hammock comes with cushion for the ears. It came ready for use, so I didn't have to put anything together. It was very comfortable. It came with actually a sleep eye mask. I'm not sure why you will want to sleep with your neck being stretched, because usually physical therapists don't recommend using traction for more than 20 minutes at a time, and it's not a good idea to overstretch any part of your body just in general. In conclusion, if you don't mind dedicating a towel or a scarf for neck traction, it is a cheap alternative with similar effectiveness in terms of level of stretch that you can get. It takes some trial and error to set up the towel method to get it comfortable, but once you have the right setup, it's very comparable to the neck hammock. In defense of the neck hammock, it came ready to be used, very comfortable. The only downside that is very pricey. I kind of understand how physical therapists teach all their patients to do this DIY towel traction at home, because it really doesn't cost very much, and it is very effective for people who can tolerate lying down on the floor. If you made it this far into the video, thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you find this video interesting. I really appreciate it.